Alright, I think we should go on a foot. Yeah. Lay him down.
You know the day destroys the night.
I don't know what part of on foot don't you get?
Try to run, try to
Alright,
hide.
you set the camera.
To the other side. Bring on to the other side.
Alright, we're hunting geese today. Alright, the plan is that we are going to chase yelling after him, see how many we get really ticked off. Alright, ready? Alright. These guys so far have not moved off of our lake. So I think he's stuck. Fofo, get over here. Keep going, dude! You got one! Ah! At least I got two! Oh! Yes! That's good! Woo! Bean sweetness. Oh, senior action. Hey, go. Whoa, dude. Oh man, you feel the wind off of these wings? Woo! So what you are witnessing right now is a couple thousand ticked off geese. Dang. Dang! La migra! He jumped the Rio Grande right there. See that? The Rio Grande. Get the Mexican! Run! Run, the little Mexican! Run! Run, fucking Mexican! Run! Where the hell is that Mexican? Dude, where the heck are you going? Just jump it! He's not a true Mexican. Nope. Not a true Mexican. La 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 la. Oh. God. That didn't work. Nope. Where's Setho? God. Wee. We squeeze you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Beautiful. That's the grand over there. Jump it!
This is the end. My only friend. The end of our elaborate plans.
What the heck? This camera's cool.
No safety or surprise.
Where the hell did he go?
I'll never look into your eyes.
Oh, he's by the trash can. God! Dang! God! God! Isn't that beautiful? See this? That's like a freaking lightsaber. Lightsaber! Lightsaber! Lightsaber!